for startups and industries in the sector.
Shakil P. Ahmed ubadai Principal Secretary Jongga Sorkar Jylla Meghalaya ulapentip baka North Eastern Space Application Center lanin nesak kelaju Ïarap ika Sorkar Jylla haka Liang kerap keriang kajingri ya ki nyang rendia bat bun kiwei haba keren shikanong patai kubor hadian balakut no kajingelang lam khmat Jongga Space Economy Leaders Meeting ka kenhun G20 hanong ba Shillong haka skinning kong Ahmed ula ong baga Sorkar kala temu ban penkreak ban wat jing Ïarap nakan nesak menang penyar syuk-syuk ya ka jingrep ya ujaj kau buru haka rukom ka bakhamjur ula ong syuk-syuk baga Sorkar kan sawat jing Ïarap ru nakan nesak naga benta ban penbet ya ka jing deheng kali hanong ba Shillong.
Sectors which can bring in more employment for the people of Meghalaya and far more collaboration beyond the 28 projects which we are doing with NESAC in various sectors from agriculture, water, afforestation, even for Shillong traffic decongestion. We are using the NESAC. They're supporting us in identifying the places which are possible expansion of parking areas and widening of roads. These kind of things would really project the destination. And again, we hope that this would lead into far more investment, far more visitation, and positioning Shillong as a prime destination of beauty, nature's bounty, and the destination you will never forget.